Big news for everybody in Jamaica who love online shopping but you hate the hassle of complicated shipping. Amazon has officially launched its dedicated low price app, Amazon Bazaar, right here in Jamaica. If you have been following the e-commerce wars, then you know that platforms like Temu and Shein, they have been taking over the island with their ultra cheap prices and their direct shipping models. Now Amazon has finally clapped back. And this is not just a new feature on the regular Amazon app, It is a completely separate standalone app that you can download right now on your iOS and your Android. It is specifically built to offer unbranded, budget-friendly items, things like fashion, your home gadgets, and your lifestyle accessories, all at prices that compete directly with the Chinese giants. Today, I am going to give you the breakdown of what all of this means to you, the average Jamaican online shopper, and why this is such a big deal. If you want more videos like this, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel. It will really help the community grow. Plus, you will receive notification when we release more content like this in the future. Now, let us dive deep into the pricing, because this is the biggest selling point. The vast majority of the items on Amazon Bazaar are priced well under $20, which is roughly about 3,000 Jamaican dollars. In fact, you can find a massive selection of the items under $10 or 1,500 Jamaican dollars. Now, this pricing strategy is deliberate. By focusing on the unbranded goods directly from manufacturers, Amazon is cutting out the middleman markups. But here is the game changer for Jamaican shoppers: the customs threshold. As many of you know, the duty-free limit for personal imports was raised to $100. Amazon Bazaar is practically tailor-made for this. You can fill a cart with 5 or 6 items, maybe things like a new phone case, some kitchen tools, and a few t-shirts, and likely you stay well under the $100 limit, meaning that your package flies straight to your door without triggering any of those high, heavy custom duties. Now, let us talk logistics, which is usually where the headache happens when ordering from abroad. Traditionally, most of us use freight forwarders or skyboxes, people like Mailpac or ShipMe or even Quick Ship, to get our Amazon packages from Miami to Kingston. Amazon Bazaar is trying to disrupt that habit. They are now offering direct international shipping to Jamaica with a delivery window of about 1 to 2 weeks. While this is slower than the Prime to Miami route, it is significantly faster than the 3 to 4 weeks wait time often associated with Temu or AliExpress. Even better, they have now introduced a free shipping threshold. Yes, if your order value hit a certain minimum, typically around I think is about $50, shipping to Jamaica is free. This completely eliminates the need to pay a third-party courier fee based on weight, which can often double the cost of the cheap items. However, and this is a big however, there is a trust factor here that gives Amazon the edge. One of the biggest complaints about Temu has been product safety and returns. Amazon Bazaar addresses this by enforcing strict compliance check on all of the products before they are listed. They are also offering a hassle-free return policy where you can return the items within 15 days of receipt. Now, if you have ever tried to return a mismatched outfit to a Chinese marketplace, you know that it is usually more trouble than it is worth. Amazon is betting that you will prefer this reliable customer service infrastructure even if you're buying just a $5 item. You log in with your same Amazon account, your saved addresses and your payment methods are already there, and you have the security of Amazon's A to Z guarantee. So, is this the end of the skybox era? Well, maybe not for expensive electronics or your heavy-duty appliances. But for the everyday small items, the clothes, the gadgets, the decor, Amazon Bazaar is positioning itself as the superior option. It combines the lower prices of Temu with the logistics and trust of Amazon. So go check out the App Store now, download Amazon Bazaar, and build a test cart to see how the shipping costs compare to your current courier service. It might just save you a significant amount of cash. Let me know in the comments, are you sticking with your courier or are you trying this direct shipping method? Thanks for watching, and click the video on screen now to watch another Jamaican financial story. Catch you in the next video.